So this is the STF-12 by Fabarm Professional. It's a 12 gauge shotgun. It's pump action. Inside it comes with one shotgun. I already had it open, so I put a camera mount on it. One ramrod. Speed loader. The garbage BBs that come with it are already gone. And some iron sights. Iron sights are easy to go on. And just like that, they're on. Also, it comes with 2 shotgun shells, and they are 30 round shells. Online it says it is 300 feet per second plus with 0.2 gram BBs. So we are going to find out right now. I'm going to load up the speed loader, load up one of these. I'm going to grab my chronograph, and we're going to see. And we're going to give you some gameplay footage of how this works in complete full action. I'm going to turn on the chronograph. It is set for 2 5s, so I need to put it on 0.2s. The release to load the shells is right here on the side. Just give that guy a little flip. Take a shell in, and you're good to go. So we're getting around 170, 180 feet per second. That is with the original stock spring in it. Alright, I'm going to put this red dot sight on it, and I will see you guys out there. 6, 5. I got it. This thing's freaking awesome. Where did I kill? Fuck! Got him. Oh, close. Got him. Oh. Excuse me, gotcha. 3, 2, 1. As you can see, $70 Amazon shotgun absolutely wrecks and destroys everyone on the field. So if you're looking for a good budget shotgun to get started with, this is a good option. Not going to break the bank, does the job, and you will be able to absolutely wreck. And I forgot to mention, it is a tri-shot shotgun, so it is 3 BBs at 1 single pump. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.